Hello all. In the last video, we had discussed to look into the approach that a business analyst can adopt while performing each of the different steps of business analysis in the project delivery phase of an IT project. Following this, we had also discussed the approach that one can adopt in the first step, that is analysis of project related documents. Today, we are going to discuss the approach that a business analyst can adopt while doing the second step, that is understanding or preparing a plan for the business analysis activities. My name is Kurian. Welcome to the video.
If you wish to have a recap, I request you to please pause the video for a minute and go through the steps listed on screen now. Today, we are going to discuss the second step, that is understand or plan the timelines and deliverables. As we can see, there are two possible scenarios here. The possibility one is to understand the plan if in case a project plan already exists. Possibility two is when we are asked to prepare a plan given that a project plan doesn't exist. Now let's look into how one can approach each of these two possibilities. Possibility 1, understanding the plan. The first question can be, which are the functionalities that are planned to be delivered first? As we can imagine, a project may not be to deliver just a single functionality, but a huge set of functionalities. And unless we are clear on what is the priority of the business, there is a possibility that we may pick up a functionality that is not on the priority list of the business, and we may end up delaying the project timelines. Now, once we understand the priority functionalities, the next step may be to understand how important is it, or what is the impact of a slippage to this. For example, is a live launch planned with these most important functionalities? Suppose the project is being delivered in an agile approach. If so, we can plan our activities accordingly. The next thing that we may need to consider is to understand how feasible the plan is, considering the analysis of the project documents that we did in the previous step. Also, another point which we may need to understand is whether there will be other business analysts in the team to share the work. Now, at this stage, if we think that we lack the necessary clarity to complete the deliverables or does not have sufficient time to complete the deliverables on time, it may be good to highlight such concerns on the plan, as this could help us in getting additional time or additional helping hands to share the work. Now, let's move on to possibility 2, that is when we are asked to prepare a plan when such a plan doesn't exist. Let's see what is the approach that we can adopt here. The first step will be to list down the activities that we are planning to do and the deliverables that we are intending to produce as part of the analysis. Once we agree these with the relevant stakeholders, this gives the clarity of the scope of work that we are planning to do. Now, we can try to estimate the time that may be required to perform each of these activities based on the analysis of the project documents that we did previously. There is a possibility that even after we analyze the project documents, we don't have sufficient clarity to do the estimation. In such cases, it may be better to have a discovery phase such that the estimation can be planned to be done at the end of this discovery phase, where we are expected to have more clarity on the requirements. In addition to all these, whenever we propose a plan, it is wise to highlight any known dependencies and the associated risks. This could help in managing the expectation of the stakeholders.
I hope this video has been helpful to you. Please do share your feedback in the comment section. Thanks for watching.